Smart chart, pie chart. In this video, we will know about some common misconceptions related to pie chart. Sometimes we consider 1/4 and 3/4 to be equal while calculating. Is this a right belief? First, tell me which is more, 1/4 of potatoes or 3/4 of potatoes?
3/4.
Right answer. Kids, do you know we can write quarter as 1/4 too?
Yes, Dr. Uncle.
So now can you tell me how to write 3/4?
3/4. Is it right?
Absolutely right. Now, look at these 4 same-sized wood logs. Now, can you guess their different numbers in relation to these 4 woods?
This is 1/4. This is 3/4.
This is 2/4.
This is also known as half.
Is this 4/4?
Yes, this means full. Now you must have understood that 1/4 is 1/4. 3/4 is 3/4. Yes, right. Now let's look at some more examples to clear this misconception. Father of Bimla and Chandu has bought a packet of candy. It contains 40 candies. Now look at this pie chart to find out how many candies have been eaten by the kids.
They ate 1/4. That is 1/4 of the candies. So 1/4 of 40 is 10. So children ate 10 candies.
So, how many candies are left?
3/4. That is 30 candies.
Very good. Today, while coming to school, students got drenched in rain. Now, can you tell, has more than half of the students got drenched by the rain?
Yes, more than half of the students got drenched in the rain, as 3/4 students got drenched.
Very good. So, I am hoping now your doubt has been cleared regarding the misconception of 1/4 and 3/4 being equal.